Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is, find the equation of two sides of a triangle are 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0 and 4x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0. And the orthocenter is 1, 1. Then find the equation of the third side. So you are given if a triangle, suppose ABC is a triangle and you are given the equation of two sides. Let the equation of AB is 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0 and the equation of AC is 4x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0. And we also know that the orthocenter is 1, 1. Now what do you mean by orthocenter? Orthocenter is where we know that the altitudes of a triangle are concurrent. They meet at a point and that point is called the orthocenter. So we are going to construct two altitudes. First of all, altitude BM and secondly altitude CN. Okay. Now the point of intersection is orthocenter. Let this be H and that is given 1, 1. Now we have to, our purpose is to find the equation of third side, that is the equation of BC. Now to find the equation of BC, we must know the points B and C. Now to find the points B and C, now concentrate to find the point B. अब B पॉइंट आप कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? B is the intersection point of AB and BM. तो first of all we are going to find the equation of BM. BM की equation आप कैसे निकालेंगे? BM is a line which is perpendicular to AC. So since the line BM is perpendicular to AC and the AC equation of AC is 4x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0. That implies let the equation of BM is, आप इसके ऊपर perpendicular line निकालनी है तो that will be in the form 5x minus 4y plus lambda is equals to 0. Now this line BM passes through 1, 1 since it passes through 1, 1. So if 1, 1 will satisfy this equation and we will get lambda is equals to minus 1. Now substituting lambda is equals to minus 1 here, we get the equation of BM. तो BM की equation क्या हो जाएगी? 5x minus 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we know that B is the intersection point of AB and BM. So to find B, we are supposed to solve these two equations, AB and BM. Now to solve these two equations, elimination method आप use कर सकते हैं. First equation को आप 2 से multiply कर दो, then you will get 6x minus 4y plus 12 is equals to 0 and this is, write this as it is. Now subtracting, we get, this will cancel out and we get x plus 13 is equals to 0 or x is equals to minus 13. अब x की वैल्यू माइनस 13 आ गई है तो बाय सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग इन एनी वन ऑफ द इक्वेशन वी गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ y. So minus 20 minus 39 minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0, and that will give you 2y is equals to minus 33 and y is equals to minus 33 by 2. So your point B, the point of intersection B is equals to minus 13 minus 33 by 2. So write the coordinates of B, minus 13 minus 33 by 2. Now similarly you can find out the coordinates of C. Now to find the coordinates of C, we know that C the intersection point of AC and CN. Now let us find out the equation of CN. Since CN is perpendicular to AB, since CN is perpendicular to AB की equation आपकी क्या है? 3x minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. क्योंकि CN इसके पर perpendicular है, तो let the equation of CN is of the form 2x plus 3y plus mu is equals to 0. Now CN passes through at 1 1. It passes through 1 1. So 1 1 will satisfy this equation and we get the value of mu. Now substituting the value of mu in the equation of Cn, we will get the equation of Cn 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now to find the coordinates of C, we are going to solve the equation of AC and Cn simultaneously. Now solve AC की equation है आपकी 4x plus 5y minus 20 is equals to 0 and Cn की equation आपकी क्या है? 2x plus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now to solve these two equations, आप second equation को to use elimination you can multiply the second equation by 2. So 2x plus 6y minus 10 is equals to 0. Sorry, 4x plus 6y this. Now subtracting this, we get minus y minus 10 is equals to 0. And that will be y is equals to minus 10. तो y आपका minus 10 आ गया है. By substituting the value of y in any of the equation, we can find out the value of x. So 2x minus 30 minus 5 is equals to 0. So x will be 35 upon 2. Y is equals to minus 10. So the coordinates of C are 35 by 2 and minus 10. Now write the coordinates here, 35 by 2 and minus 10. Now to find the equation of the third side BC, we already know the points B and C. Now for the equation of BC, we can apply 2-point form. So let this be x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this your equation is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, and this will be equals to y plus 33 by 2 is equals to minus 20 minus 20. 33 minus 20 is 13, and 35 plus 26 is 61. 35 plus 26 is 61 into x plus 13. Now we can take LCM. 2y plus 33 multiplied by 61 is equals to 2 into 13 is 26, x plus 13, and this is 122y plus 2013 is equals to 26x plus 26 into 13 is 338, and your final equation will become 26x minus 122y, और ये भी आपका सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा, and you will get minus 1675 is equals to 0, and this is the required equation of BC.